Gas, 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 gas. Oh. Wait, what did you say?
It looks like it's gonna blow up any second.
You think this car's gonna blow up at any second?
Yes.
Babe, she thinks it's gonna blow up on any second.
I feel like that all the time.
Oh my god. Goodness gracious.
So you told her that it's okay if she hit something because you hit stuff all the time.
Yeah.
She thought it was a joke.
Oh no, I actually have run in.
Look.
Yeah, look at my front end.
He legit hits stuff on purpose.
If there's a car for you to
kidding.
No, if there's a car for you to learn to drive stick in, it's this one. You can hit whatever the hell you want. It goes right back to normal. How long have you been driving?
Like
A month? I mean, do you even have your license yet? No. Nope. Actually, this is gonna be fun. I really want to watch you just try and figure this out. Is it safe? This is probably the safest car you'll ever be in. You on the phone?
No, not right now.
Teenagers, dude. You know what are you gonna do?
Yeah.
Well, so you got a seatbelt in there.
Yep. Can feel that.
That's one of the 4 parts of the seatbelt. It's part of the
4?
seatbelt. Yeah, I'll have to show you. I might actually have to strap you in.
Please, ow, I just hit my...
You're gonna put that through this little thing. Now do the same thing with this one. There you go. Now you're latched in. Feel safe?
Okay. Maybe?
You wanna know what's crazy? I was your age when I made my first how to drive stick video. Actually, I was probably like a year older than you. That's how long I've been doing YouTube videos. It's pretty crazy. Okay, ready to give it a shot?
No.
Pop quiz. Do you know how many pedals a normal car has?
2?
Do you know how many pedals a manual car has?
3.
Yeah, you're off to a good start.
There we go.
This is pretty open. Don't worry about it. This car makes really weird noises. Okay, so we're in our spot. I took her to a really secluded parking lot, just to put the least amount of pressure on her as possible. But right now, what I want you to just focus on is how I am using the clutch to start off. Because the first thing I'm going to teach you is how to start. That's probably the only hard thing about driving manual, is coming from a stop and going. First is always going to be to the left and up in this car, right? And that's going to be the lowest gear. So it's the one you start in. So whenever you start speeding up, you'll end up shifting, but I'm not going to teach you how to do that yet, because all you need to know is left and up. Got it?
No.
Oh, you'll figure it out. You'll figure it out. I'm going to put my clutch in. I'm going to go to first gear, left and up. And then I'm going to slowly release my foot off of the clutch. I'm not even going to press any gas. I'm just going to let the car start rolling. So you see how I'm doing it really slowly? I have a race clutch, so it makes really weird sounds. So don't worry. All right, I'm going to let the baby sis give it a shot. Yeah! See, I'm telling you, you're not going to break this car. This thing's a freaking tank. I'm going to teach you everything you need to know. Okay, oh yeah. So, see that little red strap? Pull it up. You have to say yeet.
I don't think I'm gonna do
Yeet.
that.
You have to go. No, you didn't say yeet. Well, you still got it though. Yeah. Look at you in the driver's seat. Okay, so now so since you're a little taller than me, you're about the same height. You shouldn't have to adjust the seat. But if you want to, you can move it forward. So go ahead and put this steering wheel on. Take the steering wheel. Yeah, it's off. So this little thing, put your fingers on that and pull it back.
What?
Both hands, pull it back.
That's hard.
Just push it on this. Okay, now it's on. Now it's good. Are you in a comfortable, I know you're not comfortable, but
No, I'm not.
are you close enough? Are you good?
Yep, fantastic.
Sure. Try and push the clutch in. That's all the way to the left. So the clutch is all the way to the left. The brake is in the middle. And the gas is on the right. Gas and brake are still in the same place. You just have another pedal all the way to the left. That's really confusing, I know. I wish I could be better at explaining it. It's really hard. It's really hard when you put it on the spot like this, too. Let's go ahead and close the doors. Now you're going to start the car. I'm going to go ahead and actually take it out of gear. Put your foot on the brake. Now go ahead and just start the car. That's the vacuum cleaner. And don't worry about that. Now just crank it over a little bit and then let go. There you go.
I don't like that.
It's on. So, what I'm going to have you try is I'm going to do this gearing stuff over here for you. I'm going to have you just learn what the clutch feels like. And you'll probably stall a few times. What?
I don't even know what a clutch
You don't need the... Other than my dog, she doesn't know what a clutch is. So the clutch is that pedal on your left. How do you explain it to a non-car enthusiast? This is good for me. You know what? It doesn't matter. If I try and explain to you technically, I think you won't get it. The clutch is part of go.
Okay.
So, go ahead and push the clutch in. Okay? I'm gonna go into first gear. All right, now slowly, very slowly release the clutch. And as soon as the car starts moving, you're gonna wanna like take your foot off of it, but just slowly, really slowly, just let the clutch out. Give it, you got it.
Ah! I don't like this.
There you go. So what you did,
Why is the vacuum cleaner on?
it's just my fuel pump. So, put it back on. All right.
What did I do wrong?
So you let the clutch out too fast. You let it out too fast.
But I didn't though.
It's a really slow, yeah, but you did. It's a really slow process. So, oh, there you go. Hey!
How do I stop?
Second
I
try.
don't want to do this anymore.
All right, so give it a little gas. Just drive it like normal now.
I think this is nice speed.
You can take your foot off the clutch.
I think this is nice speed.
Take your foot off the clutch. See, now you don't even have to touch the clutch while you're driving. So just keep your foot on the gas and just do a little circle around the parking lot. Now since you're off the clutch, it's like a normal car.
I'm scared.
You're scared. Just do a little circle right there. Yeah, just go a little circle around one of these little islands right here. Give it a little gas. Give it gas. Give it gas. You're gonna stall. There you go. You're all right. All right, now go around this little thing right here. There you go. See, you're getting it. Hey, you know what? If you crash, it's okay. She's tight on the apex. She makes the corner real nice. More gas, 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 gas. There you go. There you go. There you go. So you got it, easy. So this car's a little more difficult to drive in terms of actually driving it, but it's easy to get the clutch thing going. So now I'm gonna teach you how to come to a stop, put the clutch in, all the way in. There you go. So now that basically means your car's in neutral, so you can't stall. Are you confused about anything?
Yes.
What are you confused about?
Everything.
Okay, so now I'm just gonna have you start again. I'm just gonna have you keep on trying that so you can get that feeling down. But I'm gonna have you put it in gear this time. So go ahead.
I can't do that.
Yes, you can. Yes, you can. You got it. You got it. You got it. All right, put the clutch in.
There's no instructions.
I am instructions.
You're bad at instructions.
That hurts.
You are.
That hurt. Go left and up. Now you're in first gear. Now you're in gear. So now you can stall if you let the clutch out too fast. So now do what you just did when we were over there. Let the clutch out really slowly. Give it a little itty gas, and then you'll go ahead and start rolling again.
This is a process.
You got it? You got it. You're getting close. Don't let it out too fast. You did it again. Let's go. Twice in a row. Twice in a row. Well, you're not. You can run into the car, but you shouldn't. Yeah. So what you do is you take the steering wheel and you turn to the right.
See, I think I got that.
Nope, that's left.
No, I'm giving myself
that way.
some room.
That way. Gas, 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 gas. Yeah, look at them kicks too. You're good. You're good. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
I don't like these sounds.
Hey, you got it twice in a row. You're probably the fastest learner of anybody I've taught so far.
That's really smart. Are you just saying that to make me
I'm
feel
100%
scared?
not. You can go back and watch any video of somebody. Michael stalled like 150 times, and I didn't even put half of them on video. She's good, dude. Runs in the family. Runs in the family, whether she knows it or not. Now go around this little island, dude, again. See, you're getting. Is it feeling a little more comfortable now?
Not really.
No.
It's fine.
All right. So I know you're getting good at it. I want you to try it one more time. Go ahead and you remember how to stop?
No.
So put the clutch in. There you go. Now press the middle pedal, the brake. There you go. Nice. Give me a high five. Give me some skin. God, how's it so far?
I haven't crashed. So
That's good. I'm glad that's your objective because that's solid. I'm gonna not give you any guidance.
No.
Maybe some pointers.
Wait, do I do this first?
Yes.
I don't know.
Now just remember, slow.
I'm doing this
Slow with the left foot.
Yeah.
Yep, that's okay. Get a little gas, gas, gas. Yeah! I'm so proud. 3 times in a row. Now go ahead and stop again. Just keep on stopping.
I don't know how to do that.
Press the brake. Press the brake.
I don't know.
Oh, clutch. Okay. Sorry. And guess what? this giant little lever right here prevents you from moving if I want you to. So if you get too close to anything, all I gotta do is yeet, and you're good. So you don't have to worry about hitting nothing. But please don't hit this nice man's or lady's car. That would be...
That? Maybe?
You're teaching me. I don't even know.
I don't think...
Freaking sweet kicks. Sweet... Hey, look, we got matching kicks on right now. Look at this. Nice. White shoe gang. All right. Sorry, I'm being really distracting. Okay. Left foot, you're good. Now, put it in gear. Yeah, let's go. And let it out really slow and put your foot on the gas so you can go. Oh. Gas, 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 gas. Oh, 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 oh. Oh. Gas, 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 gas. Oh, 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 oh. Oh my God. Yeah. We just cheated.
That?
You cheated. I don't know. I don't know how you.
I didn't have any, okay, I don't know what just happened. How do I turn it?
I don't know what just happened either, honestly. Gas, more gas, more gas.
I don't like the sounds.
It's
like
just,
I'm in a lawnmower.
you're fine. Yeah. You're doing good. You're actually doing really
I
good.
don't know what just happened.
Now we're going to take it to the streets.
No, we're not.
Someday I'll teach you how to like drive it on the streets, but I think
Oh man.
I want you to just get the concept of driving manual down. Because especially for somebody like, I used to, oh my God. I mean, I used to race motorcycles, so I had to use a clutch. So when I was 8, I knew how it worked. She's never, not really even driven much of a car. Like, she just got a car. She's driven a little bit, but yeah, she's never been around any sort of motorsport or anything like that in her life. But she's still gotten it 4 times in a row. I'd say 3.5 actually. That last one was a little cutting it.
I don't know what that was.
Hey, there you go. Nice.
I'm scared to do this again.
No, you shouldn't.
I don't want to do that again.
Just remember to let it out slowly. I'll remind you. Give it a little gas, slow. It's stalled. Nice.
I think I could do this 2 times and I just can't do it again.
No, you got it. You're psyching yourself out now. All right, let it out slow. Give it a little bit of gas while you're letting the clutch out. Just barely on the here you go. Now just barely, very slowly let it out. Slow, slow, slow. Slow, 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 slow. Yeah! That was actually really good. There's a little tire chirp, but that's good. Now, whenever you're turning around, make sure you give it a little bit of gas so that you don't stall in the middle of the turn. Hey, look at this, dude! She's out here driving, man. This car's a little touchy.
Yeah, I figured that out, man.
You feel good about it?
Sure.
You want to try anything else?
Not really.
You ready? All right. Well, I'm definitely gonna have to teach you more. Everybody, give a thumbs up for Jaren. She is literally she actually has done the best of any person I have trained in the art of driving manual. So give a nice thumbs up. All right, remember how to come to a stop? Oh my God, she did it without me having to tell her. Oh, I'm gonna give you a hug. I'm gonna give you a nice big ass hug, bro. That's crazy. Oh, I'm so proud. They're watching us. See, they just watched you do a really solid job at driving my car. All right, so I'm just gonna.
Thought Patrol on the side.
Oh, true. I do have Thought Patrol on the side of my. I had to explain I had to explain to Dad what Thought Patrol was the other day,
awkward.
and he didn't really grasp it. Give me some skin. You gotta give me an actual high five now. I'm gonna let you do it this time. Yeah, I'm gonna do it to you. Let's go. These guys over here just literally watching us. So we're gonna go ahead and get out of here. You did really good. I really want you to know you actually did real good. And see, now you can flex on them at school. You can be like, yo, I know how to drive stick. You don't have to tell them how much you know how to drive stick. You just gotta be like, yo, I know how to drive stick. I really want to take you drifting with me sometime. I promise I'm a good driver.
I might pee my pants if you do that.
You might, but it's really fun. It's like a roller coaster, but better.
Well, I mean, I like roller coasters.
You like roller coasters? Then you're gonna love drifting. All right, ready?
No, I'm not.
How was that? Stinky. That is my favorite smell in the world. Woo! All right, let's get out of Mexico. Babe, she did it.
Yeah?
6 times.
No way!
She stalled twice. She didn't stall her first time.
So much better than me.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. She's actually.
Come here.
She has been the best out of anybody I've taught so far.
No way.
Yeah. Clutch, now I gotta teach you to drive stick, dude.
Was it scary? Or intimidating or anything? Well, yeah?
Yes. The answer is yes. So what's your consensus?
What does that mean?
What did you think? Overall, how was it?
Would you do it again? Toasty.
It was toasty. I mean, okay, I meant driving manual. I know this car sucks.
I don't like it.
You gonna stick to automatic? You probably should, but it's good to know. It's good to know how. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Give a thumbs up for Jaren. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch you guys, not tomorrow, because tomorrow's Saturday. Catch you Monday. Peace out. Be victorious.